कोमो इंडिया बीच फॅशन विकाक बिरेस्तारा सावन मिरामार सुरवात जाल्या. राज्यांत जावपी सध्याची ही 5वी आवृत्ती आसा. नामांकीत मॉडेल्स डिझायनर ह्या कार्यावळीक वांटेकार जाल्यात. हो वीक 29 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन चलतलो. RDX गोवा खातीर मिरामारच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We have a show by the poolside today at around 5 o'clock, which is gonna be a show with Nidhi Munim and Ajay Kumar, who will be doing something very exciting. So we have formatted the shows as afternoon shows, evening shows, and night shows. So in the afternoon, in the morning show, which is technically the afternoon shows, most of the shows are at the main show area, which is MSA, which is right on top of where we are sitting right now. The evening shows are formatted for the open area, which is next to the sea, at the sea face, and the night shows are again back to the MSA. So this basically, when you look at it from a show flow point of view, we have a good mix of 35 designers who are showcasing across resort collection, across beachwear. They are showcasing destination bride and a lot of diffusion line as well. The big designers who are showcasing this season is our grand finale by Vikram Fadnis. We have a show by Ken Ferns, who's doing something very interesting with Romedy now. So he's worked on a very interesting collection which is inspired by Romedy now, which is their brand ideology. We have another show by Pallavi Jayakishan, who's completed so many years in fashion, and she's doing something very interesting and towards the resort line. So she's working on a resort collection, which is a fusion with Indian and resort together.
Every season, I feel like one of the locals. As a resort wear designer, I feel like a validation to actually call myself a local in any resort destination. And Goa has become a bit like home. So resort wear really, as Pallav has been telling you, is a latently potential, extremely potential market for India, which is not often noticed because we just go with the western seasons of spring, summer, and fall, winter. When I started off, in fact, you have Anand Kabra. I hope he comes as well because Anand and I did our first shows together. We are absolutely contemporaries. We didn't even know what resort wear was.